Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because salvation softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. Hello, darkness, my old friend.